Can you tell me perfectly divine. Now I'm living a dream. I found love instead of games. I found